Good morning, everybody. Today we're about to go door dashing.
Let me just look at it. Now, you might not be able to see much. We'll edit that out.
It's currently 8:30 in the morning. We're about to head out after we get our cup of coffee. All right, let's pop that down.
Oh yeah, our coffee is ready.
We need to go warm up the car. We just ended up washing the car. My file got corrupted. Once the car is warmed up, we can head out and make us about $100. We're outside, about to go start this car up. We gotta make it on around. That ain't that beautiful beast. Ain't starting her up today. She ain't got a heater in her. But this one right here, good old Whitey. Don't take that racist. But that's what it is. So you even got the logos on her. Hell yeah. All right, let's go on, get in here. Let's start her up. Get our key. Yeah, she starts a whole lot easier than that one right there. Car's finally warmed up now. We can actually see out the car and we're hitting the road.
To show you guys. Let me just look at it. Now, you might not be able to see much. We'll edit that out. You guys might not be able to see much. I just know it is gorgeous out. And I had to show y'all. We have arrived at our destination. As you can see, that big old M right there. We got a beautiful parking lot that we're sitting in. And I'm just waiting until 8:45 to start my orders. It's currently 8:38, so I don't have much longer to wait. But today ain't a door dashing video. We're no longer going to be doing the videos that we used to be doing. We're now going to be doing videos of what I do in my daily life. We're mainly going to be doing fun stuff like riding in muscle cars, riding dirt bikes. I might show a few more DoorDash videos and a couple more Spark videos and stuff like that, but I just got me a Mickey D's order. What are the odds of that being right there next to it? All I got to do, oh, it's easily readable. All I got to do is walk up in there, grab my stuff, and drive about a mile. Easy money. We got our order and we are headed on the way out. We just got to travel on over to Champion Chevrolet, which is just right here down the road. We got our second order for the day. It's right over here at Wendy's. And it's not too much of an order. It's a $3 order going for a mile. Well, y'all got lucky. Third order is going to Taco Bell and it's right after this Wendy's. It's a 2-in-1 order, but makes it even easier. We just picked up that order. We got them both loaded there. Taco Bell's there. Oh, sorry. And right there is Wendy's. We'd gotten them 2 orders dropped off. They were literally back to back on where they were. I mean, it was the exact same building for both the Taco Bell order and the Wendy's order. So you can't beat that. I'm not going to show you every order of the day, but we got our 4th order, which is great. From here on out, you're only going to be seeing the best parts of the day. So no more orders after this, unless it's something crazy. Look, I just got out of Walmart. I just spent $27, and you guys got to see what I just got. We ended up going and getting some things, like some cleaning supplies. We got a sponge, slick wax, some Dawn dish soap, and some microfiber cloths. We're gonna end up washing the old Buick and then we'll be heading back out to dash. I'm gonna make it shiny and pretty again. We just ended up washing the car. My file got corrupted, but that's okay. We're gonna get her waxed. We just got it washed and I'm wore out. Washing a 4-door car is a little bit harder than washing the 2-door car. Let's throw some wax on here. We got some Lucas oil wax. Let's go over here and get it real quick. Got it sitting up top up here. Right here. Got some spray wax. Nice and quick, nice and easy. So let's get our wax out. So
All you do is you spray it on there and you wipe it in. That's what I love about this stuff. All right, so this is the half that we did. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off, and then y'all see the other half when it's done. We got her waxed up. It's real shiny now. It's looking real good. You can tell that whooped me right there. We gotta wash the glass, back glass, all the glasses around. I gotta clean these mirrors. As you can see, they're pretty dirty. We're on our way up towards LaGrange, and we're gonna be making us some good money. We just washed our car so everybody doesn't think we're a dirty slob. And let's get on to it. Made it back to LaGrange, and we're finally getting our next order. It's a McDonald's order. I know I said I wouldn't show anymore, but it's 1 o'clock. We waited since 12 o'clock and we finally got our order. I know this ain't part of the video, but look what I see. I see me an old Chevy. I think it's a Chevy. We've made $30 this past hour. It's currently 2 o'clock and the orders really started picking up at 1. We've made about $46 today. We're at 5 o'clock and we're gonna work till about 10. With that being said, that's kind of to be expected. It's a Tuesday, and Mondays, Tuesdays are not usually the best of days. Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays are bangers, especially Fridays and Saturdays. With that being said, we've kind of made about what I've expected to make. By the end of the day, I expect to have about $80 to $100. We're on one of the last deliveries for the night, so I figured I'd go ahead and show y'all the final location. Taco Bell. What a surprise. They're always open late. We ended up only making $80 today. That's a-okay. We kind of expected that, being that it's a Tuesday. If you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment down below what you think. If you have any ideas, throw them out there. We might end up doing them. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.